welcome to 5024 Steam at Home. Today we're going to be making ice cream in a bag.
So for this recipe, you'll need 1/2 cup of half and half milk or cream. I went ahead and used half and half. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 6 tablespoons of salt, and 2 large Ziploc bags, one filled up halfway with ice. Also, this recipe is really customizable, so if you want to throw in Oreos, you can do that. That's what I did. I just chopped them up beforehand. You can even add in other flavorings like mint extract.
So we're going to start off by mixing in our milk-based product with our little Oreos, and then our sugar, and then our vanilla. And then we're gonna mix that around. And then once that's all mixed together, you're gonna take your empty Ziploc bag and you're gonna empty the contents in the bowl into the bag. So once everything's in the Ziploc bag, you're just gonna seal it really, really tight to make sure it doesn't break open at all, and let's set that aside. After this, we're gonna pour in our salt into our bag of ice cubes, and then what the salt actually does is it lowers the melting point of the ice, meaning that it'll take less heat to melt the ice. So when you put in your bag halfway, the ice will actually pull heat away from what's in the bag, causing the ice to melt, but will also cause the contents in the bag to freeze. So once this is all sealed, we're going to shake it for 5 minutes. After shaking this for 5 minutes, we open it.
Whoops!
Once you open it, everything should be frozen. So this is my final product. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to catch us on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays with new videos, and don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all our social media platforms. Thank you!